Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to order a personalized calendar in the Yolobook application. First of all, you should access the app, then scroll down a little and you will see the Yolo calendar option. Click on it. Then you will see that there are 5 variants here that you can choose from. It's up to opinion. I will select the first. Then proceed with order. And now you can choose which pictures you want to have in your calendar. Proceed with it. X this and you will see this is how your calendar looks like with pictures. You can click on any of the pictures and crop it, rotate it or scale it if you want to. I will scale in a little bit and for me it's okay. I will proceed with this arrow, and if you press the next button you will proceed with the payment. I really hope this video was helpful. See you next time and bye bye.